Hello, crafty people. This is how to make no-sew fabric ornaments. Here's a supplies list. And the first step is to line up the design where you would like it within the embroidery hoop and then cut out your fabric. I'm just cutting in sort of a square-ish shape at this point. If at any point in time you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. It really helps me out. So the next step is to remove the center hoop of the embroidery hoop, and then we're going to place the fabric on top of that in order to get that image exactly where we want it within the embroidery hoop. When placing the outer hoop on top of your fabric, you want to just make sure to line up the top of the design with the section that you tighten so that the spot that you'll use to hang it on your tree will also be the top of the embroidery hoop. And I'm just gonna apologize for the noises that you can hear in the background of my kid in the bath. So this is me tightening the fabric and tightening the embroidery hoop. So I tighten it a little bit and then pull the fabric taut. And that way I don't have to iron the fabric beforehand, although you can if you want to. So these are my various designs. So then I go ahead and I cut off the excess fabric, leaving about 3/4 of an inch all the way around in order to do this next step. So with the glue gun, you just put a thin layer of glue and then press down that excess fabric in the back. It is always important to practice safety when you are using the hot glue gun. So at this point, you can be done with the project if you like it as is, or you can apply another layer of hot glue on the fabric right there, and then apply a circle of fabric to the back or a circle of felt if you prefer. It really just is a matter of preference. This was some felt that my child had done some art on, so I'm applying that to the back. And then you can attach some ribbon or twine in order to hang them on your tree.